preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to
Kids Fun Learn Club.
This amazing world of fun and learning with Parikshit and me. Today we are going to do a drawing of a chicken and a chick.
And a chick, yeah.
A very easy drawing. And what do we need?
A black sketch pen, some colors and some white paper.
That's all that we need for today. It's gonna be a very, very, very easy drawing for you small kids out there. Yes,
Yeah.
Just follow us and let's get started.
Yeah. What are we starting with? Oh yeah, that. Okay.
So easy. So easy. The legs. It's so easy once again. The crown. And the beak. That's all. And a chick. The eyes. The eyes. Okay. And a few more chicks. And one more. And one more. Yeah? Let's quickly do what? What do we do next?
Color.
We color it. This is the fun kids drawings. Easy, very easy step-by-step drawing of a chicken and a chick. Yes?
Yeah.
Let's do something more interesting. So, over here, there is an egg that is broken and there is a cheek peeping out from it.
I was thinking of that idea only.
Okay? Looks good? Looks interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Are you done?
Almost.
Okay. So we are done with this amazing,
almost
beautiful
done.
drawing of. So if you are also completed, if you are also done with this drawing, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club, and Parikshit will be choosing the best drawings and giving some gifts. So yes, do not forget to share your drawings with us. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.